How to restore headlights yourself. Usually, headlights become cloudy due to dirt and sand, temperature fluctuations, moisture on heated plastic, exposure to UV rays, and improper maintenance. Dull headlights can't provide the driver with good visibility when driving at night, which can cause an accident. You can restore the transparency of a plastic headlight lens by polishing and coating it with a protective film yourself. Prepare the tools and materials needed for the task. Headlight polishing. Wear personal protective equipment. Wash the headlights with soapy water and wipe the surface dry with a cloth. If you don't remove the headlights to perform the work, cover the adjoining body parts with polythene film and secure the film with masking tape at the edges of the lenses. Degrease the surface of the lenses. Wet the headlight lens by spraying it with water and use a power sander to grind its entire surface with a P600 grit sandpaper disc. Sand in a circular motion without applying much force. Important: when working with a power tool, avoid polishing in one place for too long, as this can cause the plastic to overheat. Important: don't forget to periodically wet the sandpaper disc with water. Make sure it's free of contaminants that can scratch the surface deeply. Repeat the procedure with a P1200 grit sandpaper disc, then P1500 grit, and then P2000 grit. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. Continue to polish the plastic until you've removed all the micro scratches caused by the previous treatment with a coarser grit sandpaper disc. Use a P2500 grit sanding disc for the final sanding step. Rinse off the sanding dust with water and apply a small amount of coarse polishing paste to the headlight surface. Wet the buffing pad slightly with water. On the low polisher speed, buff the plastic surface until it's clear. After each step, wipe the headlight surface dry. Proceed with a medium grit polish and a softer buffing pad, and set the power tool to medium speed. Finish off with a fine, and then with a finishing polish in combination with a soft foam buffing pad. Applying a protective film to protect the polished finish, place the polyurethane film on the headlight and using scissors, cut around it, allowing a 15 to 20 mm margin around the edges of the lens. Degrease the surface of the headlight, then wet it with a small amount of water. Peel off the protective layer of film from one edge and stick it to the lens. Use one hand to peel off the protective layer of film and the other hand to smooth it out with a rubber spatula to get rid of air bubbles. Tuck the edges of the film into the edges of the headlights and carefully cut off the excess material with a utility knife. Important: after applying the protective film, avoid getting it wet for 2 days. Follow these simple rules to keep your headlights clear for as long as possible. When washing, avoid using high-pressure devices, car chemicals, and abrasives. If the headlight lens surface is dirty, wait for it to cool down and then treat it with glass cleaner or wash it with water. Then wipe it dry with a microfiber cloth. During the warm season, clean the headlight surface every so often using a special insect remover. Headlight polishing is an excellent alternative to replacing lights or their lenses, and the best way to avoid costly repairs.